So today now be the 5th of February 2025. We enter court today. Aswe Udalo, he dey court. Dr. Tony Azimbemi, when be PDP state chairman, he dey court. Harris Omagbon, when be deputy, he dey court. Then Uyo Mosigo, when he represent Oredo East for House of Assembly, he dey court. Senator Zame dey court. Senator Dia dey court. Right Honorable Friday Tula dey court. Many other PDP leaders wey will not fit mention dey court. Therefore, the APC side, Shuaibu dey there, Odubu dey there, and today, Jared Tenebe enter court from the beginning to the end. They well, wear suit, very fine man. So, now proceedings start. Una remember, say, day before yesterday, INEC beg court, after PDP don't close their case, say all the evidence where they don't produce, the certified to copy everything, say they enough for them, they close their case. INEC beg court, say, may they give them up to today, may they bring in their witnesses. My people, now court allow, today as we reach court this morning, INEC stand up. The beg court say now only 3 documents they will fit tender today. Say they no will fit bring their witnesses today. Say now 5 witnesses they be get, but now only 3 they fit show say they road when go come court when go reach Abuja. So now they come the beg go they tender those 3 documents. But those 3 documents, may I remember say they part of the thing when PDP self don't produce before when they don't tender give court. So NIB would they wait night court content and say, make una why not they waste time like this? Una beg us day before yesterday. Today now an office to bring witness. I beg, I don't want this kind of thing again. Now they come beg court, say, I beg. Say then they sure say they will bring their witness tomorrow. Say anyhow you go even be. Say they will close their case tomorrow. So night court come say, okay, no wahala. Since una promise say tomorrow, every una will bring a witness. Now they come allow them say, okay, till tomorrow. Court come adjourn till tomorrow when be 6th of February. Una well done. We'll still come. Can't tell you how you go. Because if I say the days ahead, like I said, if I say go get as it be. Una well done.
Hey, e don shele o, Nigerians, my country people, Edo people. E be like say INEC no ready for this case o. They no ready at all. See people where they shout say, go to court, go to court. Una don reach court now. Oya bring witness. INEC dey shake. They no fit bring witness come. They no fit present witness. But after the election, now then they shout say, those people wey no dey satisfied with the result, may they go court. We don dey court now. Oya bring evidence come. Now only 3 evidence they fit present today. And those evidence wey they present, na evidence wey the PDP don already tender. So tell me wetin they can't do for court today. Tell me wetin INEC do for court today. I no really see anything wey they do. E be like say this their defense, e no really gel o. Their defense no really gel at all. They are kicking off on a rocky start. And despite being mandated to open their case, they have failed desperately, opting to tender documents instead. And those documents were certified true copies of result sheets, which were already adopted by the tribunal. From the PDP, in a surprising turn of events, INEC Council begged for an additional day to prepare for their defense. So the tribunal had to adjourn till Thursday, giving INEC a brief reprieve. They said INEC should go and prepare. Even the judges self, body don dey pepper them. Most of them are not really comfortable. Because see people where they give, they say, okay, make una go ready come. They gave them 2 days. After Monday, today is Wednesday, they had enough time to go and prepare. Now, this development has indeed sparked excitement amongst the supporters of the opposition party, with some even celebrating the potential outcome as hinted that Aswe Udalo will surely win this tribunal case, because it seems that INEC, they are not prepared. Now today INEC open defense. Now today APC open defense. Now court don adjourn to on Thursday. Una dey see as the matter dey go so. Today they present 3 documents as evidence. So Aso Yodalo and the People's Democratic Party, they are surely rejoicing because I'm sure they are quite happy with what's happening with INEC and their inability to present weaknesses. These are people who ought to defend, the APC. These are people who ought to defend themselves. So tendering the document on behalf of INEC, their counsel, A. Amilu, had said they included the certified true copies of Form EC8D, which is the collation of results at the state level, the CTC of the declaration of results, and the CTC of the regulation and guidelines for the conduct of the elections. The counsels for the petitioners includes Ade Tunji San, that of Governor Okwewolo, Dr. Onyechi, and Emmanuel Ukala San for the APC. Now these guys, when INEC lawyers tendered their evidence, the APC lawyers did not object to any of the documents presented. They did not object at all. But if it were to be the PDP, they would have been the first to object to such documents. And I'm sure why they didn't object also is because they've already seen that document. The PDP presented it first. The chairman of the 3-member tribunal, Wilfred Kokochi, had admitted these documents. They've already admitted these documents as Exhibit R1, Exhibit R2, and R3. The lead counsel for INEC, Kano Agbe San, had said that INEC would be calling their own witness on Thursday. And Amilu explained that this is because the witnesses were coming from Benin in Edo and they were unavailable due to the travel distance. That was why they did not meet up today in court, because they were coming from Benin City. So the judge really frowned at their excuse and called it a waste of time. The judge sef come dey para say APC and INEC, they are wasting their time because this was not what they bargained for. They said today they should bring their witnesses, but today they are giving flimsy excuses. So Justice Kokochi really frowned at the development. He noted that INEC had since Monday to make all the travel arrangements for their witnesses and demanded assurance that the witnesses must be ready on Thursday as promised. Make e no pass Thursday. Then the INEC lawyers tried to remind the tribunal that they had been previously given 10 days for their defense and that they intended to call 3 witnesses and hopefully close their case on that same day. But Justice Kokochi would have none of it, saying it was not cast in stone. So all the counsels to the other parties did not object to the request for adjournment, and the chairman adjourned proceedings to February 5th for the continuation of the hearing. My country people, so we are going to be seeing more updates on the Edo Election Petition Tribunal. But as of today, INEC, they really fold their hand because they couldn't present their weakness. And now the judges are not having any more of their excuses. I'm sure tomorrow they would present their weakness, hopefully. So guys, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comments section.